Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another cool purse collection haul for you guys. Well, it's not really a haul, but it's a haul that I've collected throughout the years. I really love vintage purses, especially novelty purses, but today we're gonna take a look at these really cool beaded purses that I found in my closet. So if you like this video, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Paulina. You're watching Paulina's Vintage Closet, where I get to show you a ton of my hoard, vintage, kitschy, and novelty items that I've collected throughout the years. Cool, so let's get started. So the first beaded purse that I want to show you guys is this one that popped up. To me, it looks like it's 1960s. What do you guys think? Let me know if I'm wrong. Obviously, I'm not an expert, but I really love to collect these purses. It's just really a good size to wear. It's like a 6-inch purse. Super cute. I did have a little bit of a hard time opening it, but hey, it opened up really nicely right now. You probably can only wear your phone in here. It's more kind of for like an evening purse, night out. Really cute. Doesn't have anything inside, anything to kind of note when it was made, but I'm pretty sure it's from the 1960s. It looks really new. It has that vintage smell, but we'll see where we take it at once quarantine is over, you guys. So another one that I'm going to be letting you guys take a look at is this one. So this one I actually bought locally here at an antique store. And I remember when I saw it, I really liked it. The only thing I didn't like is you probably can't tell. Well, actually you might be able to. There's just like one little bead missing. It bothered me. But when I bought it, I don't think I remember actually that. So who knows? Maybe just throughout the years, it probably fell off. I'm not really sure. I like it. I like the black beaded purses the most, especially because you can kind of wear them anywhere. You can mix decades too, which I really like. And here is the inside. It's pretty big. Now, whenever I buy vintage purses, one of the things that I like to make sure is that they have something matching inside, like a little wallet, a coin purse. Now, this coin purse is super cute, super small. You know, big enough for like a credit card or something like that, your little monies. Really cute. I don't know when this one was made, but I want to say it was made in the 60s as well. It's La Regale Limited, made in Hong Kong. Super cute. This one did have that tag. What do you guys think? Is it from the 60s? Really cute. All right, so another beaded vintage purse that I have is this one. I want to say this one, I recently got it, and I don't know if it was gifted to me, because sometimes, you know, once people know that you like something, they gift that to you, so they help you hoard a little. So this one's really a nice cream color. It has a really pretty clasp too, and it's a good size. It's probably the same as the other small little beaded night purse. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. I really like that they're actually more lightweight than some of the vintage purses that I have, especially some of the bulkier poodle purses. I've yet to show that to you guys, but as you guys can see, I really am into the poodle purse craze. So this is a really elegant purse. Super adorable. Look at that detail with the flowers. I really appreciate the gold hardware on this one too. And I love when they're neatly and nicely taken care of like this one. So I haven't seen this one in a long time either, on any of these purses really, but they're pretty much in really good condition. I don't think this one has any sort of maker or brand tag in there. But it's really nice, really taken care of. It's a small purse. Probably fits your phone too, but just beautifully beaded. I really like this one. So let's see what else is in the treasure box. Ooh, this one's nice. You know, I want to say this one, I got it in like, I want to say like a vintage purse haul that I grabbed from, I don't know where, maybe from eBay. Maybe I actually got it from a rummage sale. Because whenever they're dirtier, I want to say I don't get those if I'm going to spend money to get them shipped to me. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's kind of dirty. It's stained on the inside, and it doesn't, oh, it does have a maker tag. Let's see what it says. Oh, made in China. So this one I thought was vintage, but it has a made in China tag in there. What do you guys think? Does that make it like a more 2000s 90s purse? Look at this. So I definitely know then I probably got this like at a Rummage sale or something, probably for like 25 cents. It's really nice though for an evening out. I really like the colors. They remind me of the 90s. I want to say this is from the 90s, but that made in China logo is kind of throwing me off to like a 2000s bag, but it's still cute nonetheless. Really, really nice. All right, moving on. Now this is really nice. This is like super white. I wonder if it shows up on camera for you guys. It's really pretty. The beaded detail on the handle is great. Now this one says it is made in Korea. So I want to say it's from the 70s. It could be a little from the 60s, maybe a little sooner. It's really, really, really small too. And it has, I think one of the beads is coming off. I don't know. What do you guys think? These are so beautiful. It makes me want to go out, but we can't. So here we are. Another one, another white one. This one has something in there. Now, I don't know what the heck is in there, so we're going to find out right now. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see if it has a maker's tag in here. Made in Hong Kong. Now, it could be from the 80s too. It's just the hardware doesn't seem as old as I would think it is. But it does have that nice vintage smell, so it's definitely not newer. It does feel less, how do I say it? This one feels like it's heavier. It's definitely like hand beaded. Not hand beaded, but it just feels heavier. But this one feels like it's really lightweight, like it is from like the 90s or the 80s. So I don't know. But they're really cute. Let's go ahead and see what else we have. Oh, this is really pretty. Now, this reminds me of the 60s. I would definitely wear this with like a really cute outfit. Black, gold outfit. It definitely pops out. The hardware, it looks a little newer too, so I'm not actually sure what decade this one is from, but I like it. And I honestly, what I like about this one is that its handle is a little bit longer than the other ones. These seem a little bit more evening wear, and this one, well, it is a little bit more evening wear too, but heck, you can try and pull it off with anything really. Just throw something else on and, you know, carry it like a shoulder bag. What do you guys think? It's nice. It is clean on the inside too. Oh, I just found a maker's tag. Bobby Jerome. Definitely from the 60s. I want to say, I'm not sure. I don't know anything about no Bobby Jerome. But let me know if you do. Alright, moving on. So I remember when I actually got this one. So this was when I was going to college. I remember that I found this at a yard sale where my bus used to stop when I was going home, and I picked it up for $2 whole whopping dollars. At the time I was super broke, so $2 to me was $2. And I don't know what decade it's from, but I do remember this is probably one of the the earliest vintage style purses that I got. The hardware is really heavy, but I like it. I don't know what decade it's from. What do you guys think? 60s, 50s, 70s, 80s? Let me know. I really like that it's a silver hardware because we've been seeing a whole bunch of the gold ones. This is a nice size too, so I think you can probably carry a lot more than some of the other ones that I showed. Really pretty. All right. Ooh, look at this one. This is really nice. I have no idea where I even got this one. It could have been just a gift or from, you know, some thrift store. I don't know. I miss the days where you can actually find vintage at thrift stores. I remember going to a whole bunch of thrift store, you guys, and getting stuff for like $1, 50, 60 items. But when I was younger, I would sell a lot of them, so now I don't have them, and they probably don't fit me anyways. But look at inside. No maker's tag, but it's nice. This one kind of looks, look at the beautiful detail on that one. This one kind of looks like this one that I got for $2. I like this one more though, but this one kind of holds a special place in my heart because I did get it for $2 cool. But this one, I don't even know where this mystery bag came from. But the gold clasp, gold detail. It's nice. All right, so we have, let me see. We have this beautiful pink one. I didn't even know that was in there right now. I did take a peek and I thought everything was like black and gold. This is nice. It's like, it looks like a little cloth evening bag. I'm not sure. Let me see if there's a maker's tag in here for you guys. Let's see. No, I thought I saw one in here. Well, I could be wrong. This is what it looks like on the inside. It looks almost like you could put, oh, there is one. I was right. It's another made in Hong Kong, handmade in Hong Kong. Really nice. I don't know. Super, super cute. And I do have one last one, so let's go ahead and see what it is. This is great. I love it. What do you guys think? Is it great? I don't even know where I got this one from, but sometimes when I was younger, to just start out on my purse collection, I would go to eBay and I would just search, you know, like purse lots to buy. And I want to say this one came from that, and it's super great. Like, look at it. It just has the coolest peacock on there. This handle is so small, so I don't even know how you would wear this. How would you wear it? Do you guys know? Let me know. It's sweet. Pretty cool. I think it's also an evening bag, but I'm not even sure it's vintage. This looks like it could be a little newer. But just the detail on that is amazing. And you could probably wear this with a really, really awesome black little dress and you would pop out. So yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? My favorite was this one. Out of all of the ones that we pulled out right now that I have to put back, it was definitely this one. So what do you guys think? Let me know. All right, thank you for watching, you guys. I really enjoyed letting you see a little bit of my beaded purse collection. If you know some of the decades that these come from, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not a purse expert by any means, but I do love to research, especially the wicker purses. So this isn't really my forte, but it is where I started from. So if you guys like this video, please let me know. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more purse collections for you guys and a whole bunch of other vintage jewelry collections. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.